Introducing KazTex. EnvironMolds casting liquid mask making latex. It is ideal for mask making, prop making, special effects work and dip molding. KazTex is an improved recipe over the old RD407 formula. It provides you with the highest quality casting liquid latex. It is the professional and hobbyist go-to for those great full head masks for special effects, Halloween, cosplay, serious prop making, and slush molded prosthetics. Tested and formulated for use with gypsum molds. Liquid KazTex is a single-part, air-drying natural latex compound with the ideal number of latex solids to pick up extraordinary surface detail to give you outstanding professional results on every pour. KazTex can either be brushed on or poured into gypsum plaster molds. Its special latex formula offers a fast skin build-up, extraordinary detail in its reproduction, and an easy and rapid demold. KazTex surfaces can be painted with adhesive or latex-based paints. Once cured, the latex skin provides a natural, stretchable and durable material, just what is needed to work a full head mask comfortably on. KazTex is designed to be poured into a dry, unsealed gypsum mold. Simply fill your mold with KazTex. Wait 30 to 40 minutes and pour KazTex back into its container. What is left behind is a liquid skin of latex on the gypsum mold wall that air dries and cures overnight to form a high-strength, flexible latex skin casting when demolded. Stock up on KazTex. KazTex is available in 32-ounce, 1-gallon and 5-gallon containers. Thank you for watching.